In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix PS5 controller not working on PC. So, for the first method, turn your controller around, and you'll see a little hole right there. This is actually a reset button that often fixes most problems with the controller. For this, you need some sort of clip, like a paper clip or something similar. Here, I'm using a SIM ejector pin. You need to press that button for about 4 to 5 seconds, and this should reset your controller. Okay, now go ahead and connect it with a Type-C cable, and hopefully it will work. Now for the second method, if you want to use it wirelessly, you need to put it into pairing mode. To do that, press the PlayStation button and the Create button at the same time. Your PC or laptop should then detect the controller and connect to it. Next, open up Steam and add your game to the library. Simply click on Add a Game, then select Add a non-Steam game. Choose your game, and that's it. The best thing about Steam is that it already has drivers for all types of controllers pre-installed, and you can even tweak the settings right from there. Playing games via Steam usually solves the problem. If the problem still remains, go to your browser and search for DS4 Windows. Open the first link, then click Download. After that, extract the file. I'm extracting it to my desktop. Now open it up. In some cases, it might ask you to install additional software, so go ahead and install those as well. After everything is done, you'll see this window. Simply click Start at the bottom, and it should detect your controller. Then minimize it, run your game, and hopefully you won't face any problems again. So that's it for this video. Thanks.